Carnival. Give me a bumper. Soca. Nailah Blackman. Cynthia. Yo. People that don't know say boy Yaadman Etan and I'm miserable, yo. Because ever since Carnival done, it's ever miss Carnival. I have a need for go back to Carnival. Wait. Go back to Carnival. That's it. What you know? Yaadman Etan is about to go back to Atlanta Dekalb Carnival.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell your friend them about Yaadman Etan?
Yo, people, if you don't know, say about Yaadman Etan, the day has finally come. It is May 25th, 2019. You don't know, say it is Atlanta Dekalb Caribbean Carnival and a beer coverage, a beer foolishness Caribbean Carnival edition. What you know?
Oh, God.
So Lyrikal, talk to me. You have anything coming up where you want the people to know what going?
Yeah, well, we touring right now. We in every single carnival.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We in Atlanta now. We going Bermuda, we going St. Lucia, we going Grenada, we going every carnival you could think about.
Yeah.
We going. And we working on new music. We have new things coming out.
Alright.
We have a new song and a new rhythm coming out from Wetty Beats.
Okay.
Right, from St. Vincent.
Yeah.
We have that coming out in a week from now.
Yeah.
So by the time we'll see this, a week, about 5-6 days, there will be a rhythm called the Dark Side Rhythm.
Dark Side
Look
Rhythm.
out for that. You know what I mean?
For here from first, Yaadman Etan.
Yeah, man.
So you have anything you have in store for the Atlanta people right here, right now?
Yeah, well, you don't know it's tune after tune after tune, you know what I mean? Full entertainment, full energy, full vibes.
Alright.
When the people and them come out and stand up like this in the hot sun,
Yeah.
you gotta get them what they want.
Alright.
You gotta get them what they deserve,
Alright.
right? So big up all the fans again and all the supporters every time. Atlanta Carnival, we say, salute and salute. Everybody, the party list!
Brethren, I'm gonna tell you, I'm a big fan of soca music, you know. Wow. You see me? And like, may I listen to you and may I say, yo, I really love how different Caribbean countries can really embody soca music, you know.
And you're from Jamaica?
Yeah, and me come from Jamaica.
We just came from Jamaica for Carnival. It was amazing.
Yeah.
With Jamaica.
Yeah.
You understand? We had we had a great time there, and I mean, soca music right now is touching,
of course,
everywhere. And for a place like Jamaica, which is reggae and dancehall influence, to actually be able to come, you know, with soca music to there and be able to embrace, or people be able to embrace us, you know?
Yeah.
It's an amazing feeling.
Yes.
So for me, I'm just grateful to be here representing my own, you know?
Of course, of course.
Yeah,
so, we're there in Atlanta right now. What do you have in store for the people of Atlanta?
Wow, we're gonna have a good time. I see so many different nationalities. When you look into the crowd, it's color. You know, so I'm just grateful, and we're gonna have a great time.
All right.
We're gonna have a great time. We're gonna have a great time. Can't wait to do it.
Everybody singing, go Capone!
My girl back it up when you wine on this. You don't think that when you wine on this. Push your right back when you wine on. Make your fat body up when you wine on. Look back and bend over when you wine on. Give me the road walk. Be a black you want when you wine on. Lift it in one when you wine on. Press that gas when you. Press that gas.
Yo, first and foremost, I need to get this out of the way. Personally, I'm a big fan of the tour, you know. I tell you got you. Me love soca music at Jamaica, I come from, you see me, I say. And there's just something about Grenadian soca I love. I tell you got you. Every time when Lil Natty and Thunda drop something, I say, yo, I'm ready. You see me? I mean, I have friends who love the tour, you know. I just first and foremost, want big enough for that. You see me? So we're there at Atlanta Dekalb Caribbean Carnival. How do you feel about the vibe today?
Well, trust me, for right now, as you talk about it, I just want you to come to 2019 and 2020 Carnival in Grenada.
Yeah.
And make sure that you enjoy it.
Of course.
And you enjoy the jab and the Monday night mass in Grenada.
I would love to.
This would be the biggest thing and the best thing you'd ever enjoy in Carnival.
I would love to, seriously.
Ever.
I would love to.
Yo, I mean, I enjoy Atlanta Carnival, you know what I mean? I meet a lot of people I know. I meet a lot of new people like you, so first time I meet you, and it's a pleasure, it's a great feeling, yeah?
Barricade there. No barricade. This fence and then they're holding anything? What going on there? Or they want to come over there? Or they want to come over there? I think it's about time. Or they don't think it's time? If all they think it's time, say yeah! So all you, move the fence and come. Move the fence and come. Move the fence and come. I want my people close to me. Move the fence and come. I want my people close to me. Move the fence and come inside. I want my people close to me. Security, put the fence on the side under the stage or something. Hide this fence. Oh, no. All you move the fence and come. And move the fence. We don't want nobody tripping. Move the fence and come. We don't want no insurance money inside and we going out bad. Anybody from the Caribbean, put your scarf on in here. Release it. Everybody stop down centers. Stop down. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Pull it forward. Stop this speed. Everybody point your fingers up. Point your fingers up. Point your fingers up. Point your fingers up. Sing. That's the time in the rope and I'm falling down. My daughter is falling out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and if you go back at the room, please. Lord Stephen. Go back at the room. Go back at the room. Oh, come back. No. Come back. A little wicked. Hold on.
Stephen, why are you doing us that?
No.
Hold on, we need to do this better than this still, because this is the real Lyrikal and Thunda, you know. This is the real Lyrikal and Thunda, you know. Send on the tune. Let me just play some bass and enjoy yourself. Send on the tune.
Turn down. Low. When we say mass over there, we want to see everybody. Everybody. Jump up. Listen to the hands on the last night I drink the rock, falling down butter.
I wake him.
We want to see what? Everybody! 1, 2, 1, 2, and if you have heart, you fucking for them over there. You fucking for them. What's this?
Belize, Virgin Islands, where the Jamaican all of my ladies from the feeling bodish, this one is for you. Let it go. Nailah, look good anytime you step out of your body well nice and walk out from me, know say your arms are tight up in your good time. Baby, show it off in the way. Feeling gay, mommy, give me a long I got you good. Nailah, why you surprised me, sir? My Trinidad sister. And you don't know Nailah. How about the tune, the man DJ Black? I know how you feeling, I'm gonna say yeah. Look good anytime you step out of your body well nice and yeah. Walk out from me, know say your heart, say your tight up in your hey. Thick, brown, black, brown, baby, show it off. Me and Kay, mommy, give me all of it. And you have to check up on the man to see what Jolly there with. He take up for your boom like a shitty body there. Watch him come and close down.
people. My name is Yaadman Etan. I'm here with
Hi,
the.
Yaadman.
Please introduce yourself because I feel like I can't.
It's Nailah.
Oh my gosh, Nailah. First of all, I want to say I love the way how you interact with your followers on Instagram.
Thank you.
You know, because you post these pictures with these meaningful messages, and then you have your followers, you know, interact, chime in, you know, and you come in. You're so personable. You're so relatable. You know, I love it so much. And I don't know if you remember me, but it was one of your recent posts.
I actually do remember you. I have to say, I do remember you. I feel like I know you right now.
Oh,
because,
for real?
Yeah, because you're under like every one of my posts. So I definitely remember you. I do read most of my comments, so
right.
I am there. I don't understand you half the time because I don't read Jamaican.
All right,
I could listen, but I don't read.
All right, so I'll clean it up a lot more for you.
Okay,
All right, cool, no
thanks.
problem. Moving forward, I want to be straight to the point so both of us can understand. All right, cool. All right, so Miss Nailah,
Yes.
I know you have an album coming up. Is there anything that you can share with us?
Well, what I can say, the name of the album is The Real, and it's really about me expressing my different sides because I really didn't want to just stay in one place musically and just do one thing and feel one thing, and I felt like that's what I've been doing over these past 2.5 years. So The Real is really just about me expressing a lot of what I feel and have to say, and in different musical genres. So the album is not just like a soca album or a pop album or R&B album or like a hip hop. It's a whole lot of different genres in one album, and it's a visual album as well. So that's dope. Yes.
Okay.
When the music easy stress of a long day, let we take on a journey. Hey, hey. Music break. If all you're not ready to go home, I don't want to party till the morning. Somebody sing with me. I bring it, 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 everybody. Oh, there, take some, jump around and take some. Oh, there, make some, jump around and make some. Iron Man, boy, when he jam iron, woman does it. Iron boy, honey make the pan, jam iron, woman does lead the man. Atlanta, I love you. Have a
Whoa. Yo, Jesus, ace. Yo, people that you don't know, say your boy Yaadman Etan, I represent for Atlanta Dekalb Carnival. Atlanta Dekalb Carnival are the hottest carnival in America. Jesus, peace. Yo, hear me, son, man. The only thing that I regret from Atlanta Dekalb Carnival was the fact that I couldn't get the interview with Mr. Killa. Because Mr. Killa have more bookings than a friggin' library. The man did have to fly and go to Florida the same day and come back Atlanta. You see me? Yo, people them. I can't wait for Atlanta Dekalb Carnival again next year. People them. I'm good here now. So,